Hello students, now read height and distance. In this chapter, we read angle of elevation and angle of depression. When an observer sees an object situated in the upward direction, the angle formed by the line and sight with line of sight with the horizontal line is called the angle of elevation. This is मतलब horizontal place, light of sight. So this angle is called angle of elevation. And angle of depression, when an observer sees an object situated in downwards direction, the angle of formed by the line side with the horizontal line is called angle of depression. This is the light of sight and angle from P dash to C at point P. This angle is called angle of depression. Both angles are equal. Angle of depression, angle of elevation, since these are alternate interior angles. Now exercise 22A. Question number first. The height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Exercise first. In figure, triangle ABC, BC is the shadow. So let shadow BC equal x, then length AB equal root 3 times. Now tan theta perpendicular upon base, perpendicular root 3x, AB base BC, x root x and x cancel. So tan theta equal to root 3 or tan theta equal to tan 60. By comparison, theta equal to 60. And question number 5. A kite is attached to the string. Find the length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meter and the string makes an angle 30 with the ground. In figure, A is the point where kite is flying and height of AB from B is 60 and AC is the string which angle 30 with the ground. So in triangle ABC, B equal 90, sin 30 perpendicular upon base, perpendicular 60, sin 30 perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sin 30 1 by 2, perpendicular 60, hypotenuse L. Now cross multiply L equal 2 into 60. So length of string equal 120 meter. Answer. Now question number 13. From the top of cliff 92 meter high, the angle of depression of a boy is 20. Calculate to the nearest meter the distance of the boy from the foot of the cliff. In figure, A B is the cliff which is 92 meter height and BC origin distance of the boy which angle of depression 20, so elevation is also 20. Now in triangle ABC, angle B 90, tan 20 perpendicular upon base, tan 20 degree perpendicular 92 upon x. Now cross multiply x tan 20 equal 92, x equal to 90 upon tan 20, 1 upon 10 we can write cot 20. So 90 cot 20, 20 equal 90 minus 70. So 90 cot 90 minus 70, tan 70. Now the value of tan 70 from the table 2.7475. So product we can find nearest 253 meter. Okay. Now